Kung nahihirapan na kayo paghahanap pa lang ng clients, what more kapag ka magdadirect na kayo at kayo na mismo yung magko-close? How are you going to position yourself as someone na kailangan ng negosyo? How will it make it look like kayo ang nagdadala ng value versus yung client ang nagpapasahod sa inyo? This and more I will talk about during Freelancers Wonderland Conference. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, hindi lang to basta conference na layas, may sustansya. I will teach you my strategy on how I turn strangers into paying clients. And that's just one out of the many speakers na makikilala ninyo sa Freelancers Wonderland. This is also a public service announcement na 10 days na lang. Matutulog ka pa ngayon, so bukas 9 days na lang Freelancers Wonderland na what if. Halimbawa lang, iscan mo na to or i-check mo yung caption to join. Inuulit ko, whether aspiring virtual assistant ka pa lang or seasoned freelancer ka na, this is not your typical conference. Yung FOMO dito malala after nung event. I guarantee you. Do not miss this event. I repeat, 9 days na lang. Do not miss this event.